Hi. Have you guys got out in the rain yet today? I know my friends with doggies and horsies, we don't get to sit inside in the dry. But you know what? It smells beautiful. The rain, when you just... Okay, so I'm walking. We didn't do a run today. But just taking the time to listen to nature. This water is replenishing our plants. It's been so dry. This is so beautiful. So even if you're inside, go stand at the window. Open the window, breathe in the fresh rain. It'll do you wonders. I wanted to come tell you about a woohoo moment I had. My husband was working from home the other day, and although he knows the oils work now, it took him a while. I think it's easier for ladies to understand and see it working. Boys take a little bit longer, but when they do, they're fully on board. So he's at home working, he's on a call with a client, and obviously it was just the start of the call, so they were still doing the how are yas. And clearly the other person had been suffering from some dodgy tummy stuff, because he then goes, well, you know what, I'll send you some Digest Zen. It'll sort you out straight away. It was so cute. It was just like, I've been talking about it for so long, and now he's sharing as well. It's so fun. It's like, yes. And you know what, when people hear it from somebody else, when it's worked for them, he's like, you just roll it on your tummy and within a few minutes all the gurgling stops and you're feeling way better. So that was a woohoo moment for me. And I know there's lots of people who, in fact, I was probably like this as well. It's, you have the placebo effect, blah, blah, blah. If you want it bad enough, it'll work for you. Well, I know there's science behind it. I can direct you to a bunch of medical journals, published scientific documents, if you really want it. But my best response to you would be, my doggies don't know what the placebo effect means. I'll rub something on their tummy, and then I'm not picking up funky poo-poos. You've got children and babies who don't understand the placebo effect. They don't have that ability yet. And it works for them. So we can't put that on them. We can't create that placebo effect for anybody. So I'm telling you there's science, and I'm telling you it works. It's so cool. And yes, to a certain extent, I know our minds are very powerful. Oh my goodness. If we want something to change or be fixed or get right, our minds are extremely powerful things. Our brain was created to do stuff like this. If you've ever read any of, what's her name, Dr. Caroline Leaf, she's a cognitive neuroscientist, and she has a few books out. Go have a little read of some of them, help you switch your brain on. In fact, I think that's the name of one of the books, is Switch On Your Brain. I can't remember the other ones right now. I should probably switch on my brain. I'm sure there's an oil for that. But go, so have a look. Try our oils. You can't go wrong. Natural healthcare, natural remedies. God created these plants for us to use. So give us a shout out. Give me a thumbs up or a little wave or a hi if you're watching this, so I know you've seen it. And we'll chat soon. Give us a shout. Toodles.